नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण मार्च नंतर म्हणजे जवळपास 4 महिन्यानंतर आपली भेट होत आहे. तरी आपलं मधल्या काळामध्ये जे काय आपलं शिक्षण बंद होतं ते आता आपण ऑनलाईन माध्यमातून सुरू करणार आहोत. आता माझी ओळख द्यायची काही तुम्हाला गरज नाही, मी विषय कोणता शिकवते तेही तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. आपला यावर्षी नवीन सिलेबस इन्क्लूड झालेला आहे. काही चॅप्टर जुने बघून काही नवीन चॅप्टर त्यामध्ये ॲड केलेले आहेत. पहिल्यांदा आपण केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये जे काही चॅप्टर आपण शिकणार आहोत त्या चॅप्टरबद्दल माहिती घेऊयात. पहिला चॅप्टर आहे सॉलिड स्टेट सोल्युशन्स, सेकंड थर्ड आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रियम, फोर्थ केमिकल थर्मोडायनामिक्स, फिफ्थ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री, सिक्स्थ केमिकल कायनेटिक्स, seventh elements of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. Eighth chapter is transition and inner transition elements. Chapter 9 is coordination compounds. Chapter 10 is halogen derivatives. Chapter 11 is alcohol phenols and ethers. Chapter 12 is aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. Chapter 13 is amines. Chapter 14 is biomolecules. Chapter 15 is introduction to polymer chemistry, and chapter 16 is newly introduced chapter in our syllabus, that is green chemistry and nanochemistry. One more chapter is new in this syllabus, but this chapter is also included in first old syllabus. Therefore this is not a new chapter, but the 16th chapter is totally new chapter included in the 12th chemistry. Now these chapters from chapter 1 to 7, these are the chapters of part first, and chapter number 8 to 16, these are the chapters from the part second. First part is called physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry. First 6 chapters they are of physical chemistry, and chapter number 7 is of inorganic chemistry. And part second chapter, first 2 chapters, that is chapter 8 and 9, they are of inorganic section, and from chapter 10 to 16 they are of purely organic section. Means this part of chemistry is called organic and inorganic chemistry. Now we have to start from the section organic chemistry, that is from chapter number 10, that is halogen derivatives. What is the halogens and what are their positions in the periodic table? We have already seen in the 11th chemistry. Halogens, they are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. They are included in the periodic table in 17th group. They are placed in the 17th group of the periodic table. Halogens may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. General symbol of halogens is X. I have to start the chapter, that is halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons means aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons, we have to see differently in this chapter. Their methods of preparations, their nomenclatures, their reactions and their uses. We have to start the chapter, that is halogen derivatives. Derivatives means they are derived from the species. That species are called hydrocarbons. And what are hydrocarbons? We have already seen in the 11th chemistry that hydrocarbons may be aliphatic, means open chain compounds. They may be aromatic, that is cyclic hydrocarbons. These are 2 types of hydrocarbons from which halogen derivatives are derived. Therefore, they are called halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. They may be halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, aliphatic hydrocarbons. They may be halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, of aromatic hydrocarbons. What are the aliphatic and aromatic compounds? Definition we have already seen in class 11. Aliphatic compounds, they are again classified into three types, that is alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. And aromatic compounds, for example benzene. This is one of the simplest aromatic hydrocarbon, that is called benzene. First we have to see the definition of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. When one or more hydrogen atoms of or in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons are substituted by the corresponding number of halogen atoms. This word may be important. Corresponding number of halogen atoms. Then the resulting compounds are called halogen derivatives. They may be of halogen derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. They may be of halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons. One more time the definition is revised. When one or more hydrogen atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons are substituted by the corresponding number of halogen atoms, then the resulting compounds formed, they are called halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Then next point is of classification of halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives, they are classified mainly into two types. First A type and B type. First A type on the basis of skeleton of hydrocarbon. Skeleton of hydrocarbon to which halogen atom is attached. Halogen atom is attached. This is the first main class of the halogen derivatives, and second class on the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. These are the two important classes of halogen derivatives. One type, this is the classification A on the basis of skeleton of hydrocarbon to which the halogen atom is attached, and second class on the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the molecules. We have to see the first, the number of, on the basis of skeleton of hydrocarbon to which the halogen atom is attached. First class of this is haloalkanes, second haloalkenes, third haloalkynes, and fourth haloarenes. These four, they are the subtypes of type A. Main type is A, that is on the basis of skeleton of hydrocarbon to which the halogen atom is attached. These are the four subtypes, that are haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. What is the meaning of, or what is the definition of haloalkanes? Haloalkanes means in these alkanes or in these haloalkanes, the halogen atom, that is X atom, means halogen atom, is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That is, the carbon atom means this sp3 hybridized carbon atoms means the carbon atom surrounding only single bonds. For example, CH3, CH2Cl. This is our halogen atom and this is bonded or attached to this carbon atom, and that carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Such type of alkanes, they are called haloalkanes. For example, CH3, CH2Cl, that is ethyl chloride, or IUPAC name of this compound is chloroethane. Second, we have to see what is the meaning of haloalkenes. Haloalkenes means in these haloalkenes, the halogen atom, that is X atom, is bonded to or attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. For example, CH2 double bond CHCl. This is our halogen atom, that is chlorine. This is bonded to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized because this is bonded to double bond. Therefore, this is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and to this carbon atom, chlorine atom is attached, that is halogen atom is attached. Therefore, this is one of the example of haloalkenes, and name of this compound, common name is vinyl chloride. This is vinyl group, CH2 double bond CH, this is vinyl group, and this is chlorine. Therefore, name of this compound is vinyl chloride, and IUPAC name is chloroethene. Next, the third type, subtype of this class A is haloalkynes. In this haloalkynes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom. Definition of these haloalkynes is the halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom. They are called haloalkynes. We have to know what are alkynes. Means carbon triple bond carbon compounds. They are called alkynes, and to these our halogen atom is attached. Therefore, this is the symbolic form, or this is the example of haloalkynes, that is CH triple bond CX. For example, if this X is replaced by Cl, then this compound is called chloroacetylene. Chloroacetylene, and IUPAC name of this compound chloroethane. THYNE. This is the IUPAC name, and this is the common name of this compound, and that compound is of class, that is haloalkynes. Alkynes means the compounds containing carbon triple bond carbon compounds, and to this carbon, that is sp hybridized carbon, this carbon is sp hybridized. To this carbon our halogen atom is attached. Therefore, this is the example of haloalkynes, and name of this compound is chloroacetylene, because this compound is derived from the alkyne, that is acetylene. This H is replaced by our halogen atom, that is Cl. Therefore, this is called chloroacetylene, and IUPAC name is chloroethane. And last subtype of this class is number 4, that is haloarenes. Then what is the definition of haloarenes? Haloarenes. Here, halo means halogen, and arenes means aromatic compounds. Then what is the definition of this class? That is, our halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus. For example, this is the aromatic, simplest aromatic compound, that is benzene, and this H is substituted by our halogen atom, or general symbol is X. If this X is, we have to take Cl. Then this compound is called chlorobenzene. And chlorobenzene is the example of fourth class of this compound, that is called haloarenes. Means in this, the halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic nucleus, that is aromatic carbon. Therefore, this class is called haloarenes. An example of this is chlorobenzene. This is the classification on the basis of skeleton of hydrocarbon to which the halogen atom is attached. Then second main class of this compound is B class, that is the classification of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons on the basis of number of halogen atoms. On the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. Present in the molecule. And they are again classified into main four types: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Monohalogen compounds, monohalogen derivatives or compounds or derivatives. Second, dihalogen compounds or derivatives. Third, trihalogen compounds or derivatives. And fourth is polyhalogen compounds or derivatives. These are the four subclasses of the main class, that is the classification of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons on the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. How many halogen atoms? Number means how many halogen atoms are present in the given organic compound. On that basis, they are classified into four subtypes, that is monohalogen. Mono means one. In the given organic compound or in the given halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, only one halogen atom is present. Then they are called monohalogen. Di means two halogen atoms are present. Tri means three halogen atoms are present in the molecule. Whereas polyhalogen derivatives means more than three halogen atoms are present in the molecule. We have to see one by one. That is, first we have to see the monohalogen derivatives or monohalogen compounds. Mono means one. Mono means only one halogen atom is present in the molecule. Then such compounds are called monohalogen derivatives. For example, CH3CH2Cl, CH3CH3Cl, CH3 twice, CCl. These are some examples of monohalogen compounds or monohalogen derivatives. This first example, second example and third example, only one halogen atom is present in the molecule, that is fluorine. They are derived from the alkanes. This is from ethane, this is from propane, and this is from butane, that is from 4 carbon atoms. This is from 3 carbon atoms, this is from 2 carbon atoms. What is the definition of monohalogen compounds? These are the compounds obtained by the replacement of only one halogen atom, only one hydrogen atom of alkane by the one halogen atom. And these are some examples. First is ethyl chloride, isopropyl chloride, and tertiary butyl chloride. These are the examples of monohalogen compounds. General symbol of these compounds is CH3CH2X. This is the general example or general symbol of these compounds. Second, dihalogen. Dihalogen means, here the example is also included, that is in monohalogen, one example is also included from haloarenes, that is chlorobenzene. In this also only one halogen atom is present in the given molecule. Second, we have to see, that is, what are the dihalogen derivatives or dihalogen compounds. Dihalogen compounds or dihalogen derivatives. Di means two. The substitution of two hydrogen atoms by two halogen atoms. Di means two. The substitution of two hydrogen atoms from hydrocarbons by the two halogen atoms, then the derived or resulting compounds, they are called dihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. General symbol of dihalogen compounds may be CH2X, CH2X. Second, from aromatic section, we have to see the example X, X. These two halogen atoms, they may be present on the adjacent carbon atom, they may be present on a same carbon atom. For example, Cl, Cl. This is one of the example. Second example, Cl, Cl. Here, two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. This carbon atom carries two halogen atoms. Means two halogen atoms or two chlorine atoms, they are attached to the same carbon atom. But in this example, the two halogen atoms are attached to different carbon atoms or adjacent carbon atoms. But both these are the examples of dihalogen derivatives. This is also the example from aromatic compounds. If you have to take Cl, Cl, this position, or they may be ortho-ortho, they may be at para, meta-meta, they may be at para-para position. All these three, they are the examples of dihalogen derivatives. They are from aromatic section and they are from aliphatic section. This compound, that is CH3, CH3, CHCl2, this example. This is called ethylidene dichloride or 1,1-dichloroethane. Then this example, that is CH2Cl, CH2Cl. This compound, the common name of this compound is ethylene dichloride and IUPAC name is 1,2-dichloroethane. These are the examples of dihalogen derivatives from aliphatic section, and these are the examples, three examples from the aromatic section. These two chlorine atoms, they are at ortho positions to each other. Name of this common name is orthodichlorobenzene. These two chlorine atoms, they are at meta position of each other, therefore it is called meta-dichlorobenzene. And this is called para-dichlorobenzene because the two chlorine atoms, they are at para positions to each other. These are the para positions, these are meta positions of each other, and these are ortho positions. These are the common name, orthodichlorobenzene, meta-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene. If we have to take the IUPAC nomenclature, then the compound orthodichlorobenzene is called 1,2-dichlorobenzene. 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This compound is called 1,3-dichlorobenzene. And this compound is called 1,4-dichlorobenzene. These are the IUPAC names of the compounds, that is orthodichloro, meta-dichloro and para-dichlorobenzene. Orthodichlorobenzene is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, meta-dichlorobenzene is 1,3-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. This is the dihalogen derivatives of alkanes and their examples. Third class from the main B class is trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Tri means three. The three halogen atoms, trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Tri means three, means three halogen atoms are present. Three halogen atoms are present in the molecules. They are called trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. For example, CH2, CH, CH2. This derivative is originated, for example, from propane. The substitution of three hydrogen atoms by three halogen atoms. Here CH3 is present, one hydrogen is substituted by one halogen. Here CH2 is present, one hydrogen atom is substituted by halogen. Here three hydrogen atoms are present, one hydrogen is substituted by halogen. And this is the general example of trihalogen derivatives of alkanes, that is CH2X, CHX, CH2X. And from aromatic section, the example is like this: X, X, X. we have to replace this X by Cl, Cl and Cl. Then the compound is called 1 to 3 positions of these halogen atoms, 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane, because 3 carbon atoms are present in the molecule, therefore parent is propane, and 3 chlorine atoms are present, their positions are 1, 2 and 3, therefore name of this compound is 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane. And here if Cl, Cl is replaced, then that is the example from aromatic section, and name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. And this is the example from aromatic section, and these two, they are the examples of trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. And last, fourth type of this compound or this class, is polyhalogen derivatives. That section is called, that type is called polyhalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Poly means many. Poly means many or more. Definition of these compounds or derivatives are: when the substitution of more than 3 hydrogen atoms by the corresponding number of halogen atoms, then the resulting compounds are called polyhalogen derivatives. For example, this is derived from butane. Then the general formula of this is CH2X, CHX, CHX and CH2X. If this X, we have to take Cl atoms, halogen atoms may be Cl. Then the name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrachlorobutane. This is the example from aromatic section, aliphatic section. And another example from aromatic section, that is if Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl, the name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrachlorobenzene. This is the example from the aromatic section, and these are the class, that is polyhalogen derivatives of alkanes.